Here are the top 5 weirdest animal sounds on Earth. Ever heard a sound so weird you thought it was your phone glitching? But first, you will be lucky today if you like and subscribe to my channel in within 4 seconds. Number 5, the lyrebird. Number 4, goat screams. Number 3, the Tasmanian devil. Number 2, koalas. And number 1, the walrus. So, which one sounded the weirdest to you? Drop it in the comments and hit that subscribe button before a lyrebird steals your ringtone.